operates two deep submergence rescue vehicle systems. One is based in Mumbai and the other is based in Vizag. So we have already proven the capability of the DSRV system to carry out rescue from the submarines which are operated by the Indian Navy. The purpose of this visit by the delegation is that there are other submarine operating navies in our neighborhood who do not have the rescue system, and there are some who have the rescue system and would want to cooperate with us in a submarine rescue exercise or an actual eventuality. And the purpose is to introduce them to our system, and should any of them be interested, we can have a further implementing agreement as to the details of how and how we'll do the cooperation in case of an actual incident or maybe for an exercise just to prove the capability. The submarine operating countries that are participating in the Goa Maritime Conclave include Singapore, Malaysia, Indonesia, Myanmar and Vietnam. So they, out of this, Myanmar is operating in a submarine which has been seconded from the Indian Navy, while the others have classes of submarines which are similar to ours, and therefore the rescue system, while not proven as yet, but is likely to be compatible with their submarines also.
Behind you is the DSRV, or the Deep Submergence Rescue Vessel. This is a system which is used to rescue submarine crew who are trapped underwater because of any reason, whether the submarine has developed some mechanical defect due to which it is unable to come back up to the surface. So this vehicle that you see, called the Submarine Rescue Vehicle, is itself a mini submarine which can dive underwater, which can locate the submarine and sit exactly on top of the submarine, open the hatch and transfer people, the crew inside the distress submarine, into the SRV and bring them back into the surface. So this rescue is carried out in batches of 14 people at a time, and the rescue will continue till such time all the submarine crew have been rescued.